The result of mechanical up degree with regards to thinking, planning, and conceptualizing has been extraordinary, particularly for digital currencies. The people who adjust to the quickly changing business sector climate, develop, and the individuals who neglect to coordinate speed with the feeling, die. Similar turns out as expected for some prominent digital currencies. One such name is Sushiswap. The ongoing business sector rank is number 128 on CoinMarketCap, making itself continually solid and accessible at lower cost, upgrading the liquidity to the financial backers. Sushi, the local badge of Sushiswap, has taken special care of the predictable ascent sought after of the financial backers. The advanced guide cut by Sushi for its clients has placed the power in the possession of financial backers, broadening the liquidity potential. Before we dive into the Sushiswap cost forecast, let us view a portion of the one-of-a-kind highlights of Sushiswap. Taking a gander at the consistent upsurge in the cost of Sushiswap, it merits seeing how the value graph of Sushiswap has performed over years. Members benefit from the blockchain-empowered utilitarian benefits. Sushiswap works with gains, yet fabricates trust. Sushiswap's portion-empowered comfort as well as sustains confidence, assisting clients with building fortunes, sending different decentralized application capabilities as powerhouses and suspected pioneers. As per the specialized examination and Sushi coin cost expectation, by end of 2022, the cost of Sushiswap will be $4.41, with good faith posing a potential threat in coming not many years. Time is ready to put resources into Sushiswap now. In light of the Sushiswap estimate, the year 2022 may give a vertical push to Sushiswap, taking it to $11.37 temporarily. With a 5-year productive speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 347.36%. Your current $100 speculation choice might depend on $447.36 in 2027. As indicated by the most recent long-haul Sushiswap cost conjecture, Sushi cost will hit $5.11 before the current year's over, and afterward $5.62 toward the finish of 2023. The cost of Sushiswap will ascend to $11.35 inside the year 2031. As per Sushi cost expectation, Sushiswap cost ought to show an extraordinary potential, and a value change should have been visible to $4 before the current year's over in good circumstances. Consequently, in the long haul, Sushiswap may have an enormous fan base which will assist it with arriving at new highs. According to the ongoing value pattern and specialized markers like relative strength file, Sushi cost could record an enormous cost flood above $30 in the forthcoming years. Sushiswap value forecast 2022. Nonetheless, since the SUSHI-USD cost ascend with an expansion in exchanging volume, somewhat keeping a low exchanging movement may not be supportive of Sushiswap, as new coins cost are basically added to the dissemination, weakening the stockpile. Seeing the 100% return as significant, there are critical feelings winning that abridge additional expectations of cost increment, pushing Sushiswap to $8.50 start of the year 2022. The typical cost could reach at $8.80 in 1 year. Sushiswap value expectation 2023. The capability of Sushiswap is additionally encouraged by the hearty help region presented by princely Chinese business people. Being discussed on numerous occasions, the costs of Sushiswap have demonstrated dynamism and vacillation at the same time. Subsequently, taking the specialists' perspectives, Sushi value expectations, and help from the proprietorship, the resource cost might flood by and by because of careful arranging procedure, being vertically at $12 by 2023 in Sushiswap value expectation 2024. A few specialists likewise contend that the group of Sushiswap misses the mark regarding a forceful organization binge, which can be accomplished as future outcomes in somersaulting the whole chain of occasions for the token. An uplifting cost expectation figure for the later long stretches of 2023 and 2025 shows that the value change of SUSHI-USD is ready for an astounding excursion, posting a development pace of 1,325.589% inside the following 5 years. The typical cost will reach to $11.90 in the year 2024. Sushiswap value expectation 2025. Sushiswap specialized examination and Sushiswap conjecture likewise show markets will amaze its fans by fixing the future cost at $16.80 by 2025. Sushiswap value expectation 2026. While the critical improvements have affected the Sushiswap cost, pushing them in a positive course, the digital currency market is by all accounts holding significantly more commitment in the years to come. The main obstacle in the method of the flourishing of Sushiswap digital money is gigantic reliability on decentralized applications, at which the costs are simply subject to showcase development. The cost is anticipated to reach $17 in the drawn out in the year 2026. Thus, it is a right venture exhortation. As per the specialist's own examination, the Sushi yield arrived at 15% in 1 year. The need to acquire Sushi tokens to partake in the pool likewise checked positive cost change toward the start of the second quarter of 2021, standing tall and firm around $3.53 of current cost with a market cap of $446,335,486.22. Sushi is supposed to be bullish till this year end. At the hour of composing the Sushiswap cost expectation, the flowing stockpile waits around 127,244,443 Sushi, and the 24 hours cost change is practically 6.84%. Sushiswap, opening the potential. Sushi being liquidity in the possession of the financial backer is done full equity to. The whole foundation of Sushi rotates around liquidity, and even more so when clients are not utilizing Sushi. They can in any case profit from the halfway procuring receiving an attractive benefit. This element of Sushi outperforms any remaining benefits of this crypto resource that makes certain to crown it as a gem in the realm of computerized monetary standards. Check here are other crypto cost forecasts. In view of Sushiswap cost forecasts. And actually yes, as per essentials of unwavering quality and strong openness of liquidity, Sushi would end up being a trailblazer in the whole digital currency world. On a negative scale, this computerized resource, despite the fact that may not blow the rooftop at the cost but rather will unquestionably stand firm feet on the ground, financial backers and dealers can begin exchanging and a decent return can be anticipated from this coin. Will Sushiswap coin cost reach $50? Remarkable or unstable development according to the momentary Sushiswap cost forecasts. Sushi coin cost might be a distortion, particularly in light of the fact that because of pandemic the majority of the digital forms of money have endured a terrible shot. The equivalent is valid for Sushiswap as well. Notwithstanding, the token has tremendous potential, thus the expansion and development is hopefully anticipated. Now that the pandemic is retreating, it would continuously be incredible information for Sushi holders as well, and it very well may be the greatest cost. What are the Sushi reward programs? These are the best icings to be appreciated with Sushi. These prizes make Sushi a charming purchase. Normally, financial backers and merchants all over the planet get urged to put resources into the splendid possibilities related with it. Encircled by numerous collusions, Sushiswap likewise extends its base with special measures. Client is lord in Sushiswap's reality. And the marking programs give to clients prizes and money bonuses through rivalries as well. Where to purchase Sushiswap or sell and store Sushi. As such, Sushi token is accessible on totally regarded crypto trades. As respects putting away, the source is upheld by decentralized wallets. For example, MetaMask and Wallet Connect are suggested. Wallets are the most ideal ways to store as they straightforwardly get introduced in your program in practically no time and furthermore permit you the accommodation of exchanging easily and quick withdrawal as well as the exchange of assets into your record. Is the Sushi coin going up? According to the cost figures, the typical cost is supposed to reach $10.10 in the year 2023. What number of Sushiswap coins are there? The Sushiswap cost today is $3.23. The market cap is $410,663,500.